class. I'll be your substitute teacher today, and my name is Mr. Hanson. Now you see, we live in a society where computers are taking over, and we can't let that happen. Now, we might be in a computer class, but we still gotta apprehend all these computer things. I got it! Hey! Mr. McSore, please sit your buttocks down on that chair. I said down. Don't make me come down there.
Hey, you want to get out of here? My dad, Mr. Roselle, has a time machine.
Fine. Fine.
Why do you have gloves?
So my skin doesn't melt.
Oh, I get it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, what are we wearing? Hawaiian? Where are we? When are we? No cliche. Why are we talking like this? Get out of my way, you butthead! You're the butthead!
No! The time machine broke!
Bruh.
Whoa, I think this is where we are.
Fine. Hey, that's the classroom. Oh! A Twinkie!
5, 4, 3.
Hey Martin, check out this cool Twinkie I just found!
Yeah, this is me. You may be wondering how I got myself into this situation. Yeah, well, it all started back in 1987.
Oh no! Oh no! The time machine! It's malfunctioning!
No!